Well, it's January, Tuesday, the 28th, and we're here in Pensacola, Florida, where the temperature is about 28 degrees right now. We've had freezing rain for the last few hours, and this is extremely irregular. This doesn't happen around here. In fact, it hasn't happened around here in over 20 years. I'm sure it's colder wherever you're at. It's always colder somewhere else. You always get more snow than we do. Well, guess what? I've lived up north. I know what it's like. In fact, I grew up north for the first 18 years of my life, so I know what snow is like elsewhere. But this is significant. This is the reason why people come to Florida, is to avoid this. But what we've got here is we've got ice and snow covering all the trees. And if you look over here at the Volkswagen bus, you can see one of the trees is actually down on top of it right now. I don't know what happened there. I don't know if it's broken or if it's going to melt and snap back up, but we'll see in time. Currently, we get out here. Woo, this rain is cold. The blue bug is covered completely in a sheet of ice. And you can see the whole thing is just covered in a sheet of ice right here in Florida. As the wind blows, you could probably hear that crunching sound. It's all of the ice that's on the trees above, all snapping and breaking. See all the ice up on our pine trees. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Crunchy, crunchy. It's expected to get much worse. And we're expecting a much more powerful storm as time goes forwards here. More ice. Boy, it's cold out here. Woohoo! I don't own any winter jackets anymore because, well, when you live in Florida, you don't need that stuff. A complete sheet of ice right across the car. About a 1/16 of an inch thick. We filled up the rain gutters. It's whatever's falling out of the tree when the wind blows. Right now it's still raining. There's no solid particles coming out of the sky at all. And it's supposed to snow tonight, starting as soon as about 11 p.m. So I'll be running a follow-up video for this. Here it is.